Hello Daad global community. Today I am discussing growth in instant analytics and machine learning to optimize sales. The growth in analytics and machine learning to optimize sales is a transformative trend reshaping the landscape of business strategy and operations. This trend leverages the power of data, advanced analytics, and machine learning algorithms to gain the insights into a consumer behavior, forecast demand, personalize the marketing efforts, and ultimately drive sales efficiency and effectiveness. Here are several key aspects of this growth and its broader implications. Predictive analytics for demand forecasting. By analyzing the historical sales data, market trends, and consumer behavior, predictive analytics can forecast future demand for products and services. This enables businesses to optimize the inventory level, reduce the stockouts or overstock situations, and plan production schedules more efficiently. Personalized customer experiences. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data to identify the patterns and preferences at the individual customer level. This allows for the personalization of marketing messages, product recommendations, and promotions, significantly improving conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Pricing optimization. Analytics and machine learning are used to dynamically adjust the pricing based on various factors including demand, competition, market conditions, and customer willingness to pay. This dynamic pricing strategy helps businesses maximize their revenue and remain competitive. Sales process automation. Machine learning can automate routine sales tasks such as lead scoring, qualification, and follow-up scheduling. This frees up sales representatives to focus on more complex and high-value activities, increasing the overall sales productivity. Enhanced sales forecasting. By integrating data from multiple sources including CRM systems, social media, and market trends, machine learning models can provide more accurate sales forecasts. This helps businesses with better resource allocation, budgeting, and strategic planning. Customer lifetime value prediction. Analytic tools can calculate the predicted lifetime value of customers, helping the businesses identify the most valuable prospects and customers to focus their retention and upselling efforts on. Optimization of sales channel. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the performance of various sales channels online, in-store, and social media, etc., to determine the most effective mix for reaching target audiences and maximizing sales. Real-time decision-making. The ability to analyze the data in real time allows businesses to make immediate adjustments to sales strategies, whether it's reallocating marketing spend, adjusting the product offerings, or responding to emerging market trends. Reducing customer churn. Predictive models can identify early signs of customer dissatisfaction or disengagement, enabling the businesses to proactively address issues and retain customers. Improve product development. Insights gained from the sales data analytics can inform product development, helping business create products that better meet the needs and preferences of their target markets. If I summarize my today's review, the integration of analytics and machine learning into sales optimization reflects a broader shift towards data-driven decision-making across all aspects of businesses. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will offer even more sophisticated tools for understanding and engaging customers, predicting market dynamics, and driving sales growth. Businesses that effectively leverage these capabilities can gain a significant competitive advantage, delivering the personalized experiences to customers, optimizing the operations, and maximizing the profitability. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts below in the comments, and if you are new, join our global community of learners and achievers.